Very good evening, students. Um, in our previous video, we learned about definition, examples, and three kinds of pronoun. Right now, I am going to explain you the fourth one, that is indefinite pronoun. Students, I told you earlier that indefinite means unsure and definite means sure. Okay. So this, if we can say that indefinite, what is indefinite pronoun? So an indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person or things, but what does definite means? Definite means we are sure of any particular persons or thing. Okay, so here some indefinite words are given, like all, any, anyone, someone, somebody, everyone, no one, several, some. So these words denotes the unsure things about any person or thing, right? Now next, see the examples. All are welcome to our house for Thanksgiving. All are, but we don't know the names of that persons. Does anyone have a knife? No names are mentioned. Everything is going according to the plan. Which plan? No plan is mentioned here. So these are some words which are used for indefinite pronoun. Okay. Next, see the possessive pronoun. I already explained you this earlier, that possessive means ownership. Ownership in a particular thing. Okay, like property, papers, pen, bowl, sofa, table, desk, all these things. Okay, anything. So what is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns are pronouns that demonstrate ownership. Example of possessive pronouns are mine, your, ours, his, theirs, them, hers. All these kinds of pronouns are possessive pronoun. Some points are there to remember, that possessive pronoun indicate ownership. They do not contain apostrophe. They are typically found at the end of a sentence or a clause. So these are some things which we have to know about possessive pronouns. Okay, students. So next, come to the reciprocal. I already explained you what is reciprocal. There is two things. First is each other and second one is one another. Each other means there is a matter about two people, thing or place. One another means more than two. Okay, so see the definition. The reciprocal pronouns each other and one another when two or more people perform the same action or thing. For example, Lata and Rafi helped each other in singing songs. And the second one's prisoners help one another in the jail. Each other example, see the each other example, that Lata and Rafi, there are two person given, name given here. That's why we are using here each other. Prisoners, more than two. There is no mention the number, what is the number of the prisoners present in the jail. So prisoners helped one another in the jail. That means there are numerous of prisoners are there in the jail. Clear, students? Now see the note. What is a notice tells? Traditionally, each other refers to two people and one another to more than two people. But this distinction is disappearing in modern English. Okay. Now relative pronoun. It's a very easy. Right now we are going go through the chapter clause. That also we are studying what are pronouns as well as conjunctions. So relative pronoun is, we all are using relative pronoun to join two sentences, clause or words. So see, a relative pronoun indicates an adjective clause. Examples of relative clause are WH words including that. A relative pronoun is used to start a description for a noun. The description comes after the noun. For example, the house that Rahman built is for sale, and my mother, who was born in France, has always been a great fashioner. These are the relative pronouns examples. Okay, we have to connect these two sentences while using relative pronouns here. Clear, students? If you have any problem, you can ask me. What are reflexive? All self and selves words. If our subject word is given in singular form, we always use our reflexive as self word. If our subject is given here plural, then we are use selves words. Okay, like reflexive pronouns are used when the subject of the sentence is the same as the object of the verb of that sentence. For example, I saw. I is a singular. I saw myself in the mirror. According to subject, we will use our this word. Okay, reflexive words. Be careful with that knife. You may cut yourself. Here is given you, yourself. She busies herself in the kitchen. She. So herself. Okay. Now, don't read this emphatic. You all know these exercises which we solved last week only, and here are some also exercises are given here. If you have any problem, you can ask me, and don't get worried. We will always send you this thing videos of a specific chapter after the completion of the chapter. Okay, and if you have any problem, you can ask with your to your subject teachers. Okay, all your subject teacher will send you the video after the completion of the chapter. So don't worry. If you won't able to join the class for any network issue or any other problem, you can see the link here, click it there, and you will get your study material. Okay, so thank you, class.